every single time these kidnappers decide one release video, the video they go far. Who is the first person when they always who they
upload
send
the
this
video
to upload that when we say almost all the blocks for Nigeria go get them? Guess what? Since this demand come outside, so many people now don't they run with the fast. Say, hey, we talking. They want Islamize Nigeria now. Oh, they want start with Oyo State. Oh, somebody else talking before. Even after seeing how the innocent Nigeria don't they carried away by this lie, why the state government not come outside and say no? Is a lie, not be the demand when we receive be this. It can't take the kidnapper when they inside bush when the government don't know where they right now. One believe so to come do a video to come find way to put online to come let us know say not be waiting they talk. Is that not a big shame to us? When the people are silent, evil will continue to triumph.
That's the problem. When you see something, you say something actually. But then you know go fit deny the fact that these realities they happen.
When you dey conscious of your
happen,
environment,
and I make could tell the security agencies, the security outfits them say, please, Biko abeg, when somebody come to report something to you, if you want to do your investigation, may you do your investigation properly before you put allegation for person head wey matter no concern only because they try to be a true Nigerian.
In addition to that, to make we also try dey careful on how we dey spread misinformation and aid misinformation for this country Nigeria. It creates a lot of anxiety and people they use and they commit havoc. See the woman when go kidnap herself now, when her daughter be they cry, they ask for millions of naira only for them to find out say he dey a hotel with his boyfriend. They wait for 50 million naira to enter her account. That's a married woman. So the business now, the way the kidnapping don't go now, some people don't take her as business. Not be yesterday we did when one Ekiti vice chancellor chairman kidnap himself to take raise money to take contest for election until they catch her. But next time that you go blame the government, say,
it don't become a business now.
When you see those news online, you say, oh, it's the government that is not taking care of people. But now, animals, evil human beings, wake up one morning, say, how can I make money?
89.9 Yanga FM.
Money once again, and I hope say you dey make that moolah, you dey make that money. Very important and very necessary. Check your time right now, my brothers and sisters. You go clear for your eyes. So Bobby say 5 minutes. In fact, going to 6 minutes right now. One base leave the hour of 5 p.m. on top this very day. Today not the second Monday of the month of June. Yes, I did very correct. On top that, 8th day of June 2026, and we officially welcome all Lagosians, Nigerians, Africans, and world people them to Cruise Express on top 89.9
Yanga FM Lagos, the station we sabi. And yes, on a good evening and welcome to Cruise Express, the Monday edition. Now, in case you just tune in for the first time and you wonder how the program is to be on a Monday, just calm down, make I run you through. Now, it's good for you to know, say 5 to 6 o'clock the first hour, not Tori we matter, where you be say we sit down properly on top waiting concern politics, economy, social matter, in fact anything we concern government policies. Now this first hour 5 to 6 o'clock Tori we matter, now we sit down on top and they talk about them properly. Now the very second hour 6 to 7 o'clock now office palaver, just like the name, we sit down on top everything we concern office gist and matter, whether na work or whether na job or career path or job opportunity or anything we concern workshop. Now for 6 to 7 office palaver now we talk about them. Then we'll move over to the third hour 7 to 8 o'clock. That one na bedu hour and of course entertainment gist. You know, see, it no go make sense when we just they talk. We no go use music to spice them up. And as a station we sabi to, we got to really show you why they call us that name. So that's 7 to 8 o'clock. Now better music. I tell you the truth. We'll go play you music from the east to the west to the north to the south. Better music. And then use 1 or 2 entertainment gist to spice them up. Just so you go there updated. We're waiting to happen for the world of entertainment. And now we go over to the last hour 8 to 9 o'clock. That's one at drive time freestyle. Just like the name. Now you go be artist. Our karaoke session. Now you go sing for us. You see, as your mates, they always they talk, this artist not sing this song well. This artist not write this song well. For that particular hour 8 to 9, now you go be the artist. You go freestyle. Make we listen. Make the full word to listen. We go judge your matter for 8 to 9 o'clock. Now so Cruise Express go 5 to 9 p.m. Now so it be my name. Na Ann Chewe Oriako Foreign. For better context, For better context, call me Oriako Arambi.
That's my Bobozi queen.
The amiable queen of the formidable kingdom.
Tell them,
Then what is a queen without her crown? Without her lord? My dear people, I bow before the throne of my Amai Hanabo, my Sekibo, my Ipalibo, my Yenwem, my Yenwele, my highness, my holiness, my angelicness, my eminence, my lord, my purest one, my cover, my owner.
And they struggle to greet.
The one of one is a chiga, is a buga. Oh! Lekwa woke.
Hey,
Leka woke.
Yeah,
see man. If you see the man, you go no say the man they enter eye.
Ew.
The man will look me finish. He say, Oriako, I want to crown you the queen of my kingdom.
Yes, all the way from Rivers State.
I tell you the truth. He look me finish. Say, what a sad woman. Stop to the chop fish. You don't chop fish
Come
too much.
to my kingdom and make
Come
everybody
chop
wet.
meat. Oh. Under your throne, under your waist,
You are saved there. It's very safe.
under your waist, I belong. My lord, my cover, my purest one,
That's me.
my one of one.
Yes. You are very safe under my throne.
Under your waist,
They should know
especially.
that.
They want to scatter my home. It don't work.
They can never succeed.
We made it through to another week.
If you continue to remain loyal and submissive,
Yes,
you
my lord.
continue to reap and enjoy the benefits
Yes,
of this
my
prosperous kingdom.
Yes, my lord.
That is why I'm the king of the formidable kingdom.
Exactly.
That's me. What the Bobby MC around be?
Am I
I am the king,
king?
and the kingdom is me.
Make on now, come on, body, high tension. My lord, go ahead, sir.
Anyway, good evening to all the illustrious sons and daughters of the formidable kingdom. It's a great day for us to gather once again on Top Cruise Express. We have a lot to discuss today.
Exactly.
And without wasting any more time, we go kick off with the Tori matter because there's a lot what happened over the weekend that we're here to discuss.
Weekend full
about it.
Weekend full.
Plenty. So quickly, before we go on a music break right now, just share the phone numbers with you now. Both the WhatsApp and the hotline. The WhatsApp line is 0904-821-3013. If you send us a voice note there, if you send us a message or even call us by the time we open the phone lines. But the hotline now 0201-635-0899. When we come back, we go introduce the headlines on one place our focus on. Then we'll kick off from there. Okay, welcome back. 89.9
Yanga FM Lagos, the station with Sabi, and yes, and welcome back to Cruise Express, the show. Right about now, we don't enter Tori matter the segment. My name is Anche Way, Oriako Foreign. My king and cover.
I still remember what Bobby, MC Around B, or simply just call me Around B. Now, sharply, we'll just breeze through some of the headlines.
Okay.
We'll start to take them one by one.
Now, before we, explain the headlines properly, you need to know what's they happen for inside Nigeria. Now, you feel already they familiar with these headlines, and it could be very important for you to start to sending your contributions just immediately after you hear the headlines. R&B, help us with number.
The number still remains 0904-821-3013. That's on the WhatsApp line. Then for the call line now 0201-635-0899.
Okay, so the first headline we will track at this point in time. Now the one where they come from Punch newspaper, and Tinubu don't talk say the fight against terror na a national duty, no be just military work. Tinubu don't talk say the fight against terrorists na a national duty, no be just military work. And then we move over to the second one, where be say troops don't overrun terrorist stronghold as they rescue 360 abductees for inside Borno State. Troops don't overrun terrorist stronghold as in rescue 360 abductees for inside Borno State. And then we'll move over to the last one, where be say Dati Baba Ahmed don't talk say Atiku for don't win 2027 presidency if to say in they backed by Obi for 2023. Atiku for don't win 2027 presidency if to say in they backed by Obi for 2023. Now the headlines will they track at this point in time. My king.
So before we get straight into those three major focus, right?
Yeah.
There's an update regarding the 37 school children kidnapped and three teachers, right? Kidnapped in Oyo State. As I come work just now, I see a video. I think this will be the third video being released by the kidnappers of the victim. I think the lady there, that teacher, don't become
the vice principal.
The vice principal actually don't become their mouthpiece in speaking to the government and to Nigerians too. I saw a video of her disclaiming the demand when they waka around the social media space for the last couple of days, say not be waiting the kidnappers request for naim be that. Say they not request for anything like Sharia law. Say they not request for some of all those demand when they circulate on top social media. Say all of those things now politics that they use and they play. And you go clearly see and say every single of this video when this man she dey do under duress with wrapper for her back to cover the background, and you go see and say they look people face when they front of and they talk with she they talk and really since that demand come outside, there was never a confirmation by the authority, whether that the state authority, I'm talking about your state, the federal government, the military, or the Nigeria police, they confirm. So truly, those were the demand that was requested for by these terrorist kidnappers. I did very specific with that word, terrorist kidnappers, right? So how come we allow and they fly up and down? It now takes the kidnappers, the evil people behind the kidnapping, to come tell us, say, we not ask for Sharia law. Say only what they ask for now money with the one negotiate, and the release of some of their brothers when the government already put for jail. The woman, according to the woman who they speak on behalf of the vice people who they speak on behalf of the bandits, say even the terrorists kidnappers say that they expect me the government negotiate with them on the money and the people when they feel even release to them, but nothing was done in that regards. So who be the person when list starts demand where kidnap terrorists not ask for come put online? I think the closest authority to confirm to that was when I hear the speaker of the State House of Assembly, the yarn, that's in person of Adebo Ogun doing when the yarn say, oh, are you people expecting us to start negotiating with bandits? Don't you know when we negotiate with them, do you even know what they are requesting for? Don't you know when we negotiate with them, it will encourage more people to pick up arms and go into kidnapping? That particular statement not also say, oh, their demand involve billions of naira. It was just a vague statement to say, come, we as a state not ready to negotiate with these evil people. Say make una stay calm. So I dey wonder who come up with that list of demand, come poster, and even when the person decide do am, why the state government not come outside say no, this was not what we got. This was not the demand that we received. Why the federal government also come outside say this was not, why they let am fly? And why be say every single time these kidnappers decide one release video, the video they go far. Who is the first person when they always who did
upload
send
the
this
video
to upload them when we say almost all the blocks for Nigeria go get them?
Okay.
I'm not supposed to help Nigeria security till they do their work. But when you ask some of all these questions, the answer will be closer than you know or than you think.
Okay, so first of all, when these demands been actually come out, even they fly the first place when I see them now for X. Now, after I see them for X, what thing I do be say, I go or your state X handle, I go check them. I don't see like anything like that, and then they follow a couple of their official handles for social media too. I check those social media handles. I don't see any updates because I continuously they follow up on these abductees, these Oyo State abducted children and teachers and the rest of it. And they follow up with the story, and I make sure say and they try to get the facts right. Now I don't see any update from the government regarding these demands.
Well, is that a confirmation or a disclaimer?
Confirmation or
nothing
a disclaimer,
like
nothing like that. Now, just like you talk, when I see that video from the speaker when he made the talk, I listen to that video, I go find the full clip, and I listen to the full clip. He no give a confirmation of what in the demand be, and he no also disclaim anything.
After that video, now this list come outside.
And another thing again, people need to be careful. Now the reason that
the way we spread misinformation
on social media. Misinformation on social media. When I see that request, anybody will talk to me about that particular request, I will say you don't get a confirmation. Anybody don't tell you say now waiting the kidnappers the request be this one, because you need to make sure say anything where they put out there they very very certain, because this matter na very sensitive matter. Now looking at that video where that woman make, it go good for everybody wey matter concern to know say anything where that woman they talk there no be of her own doing.
Certainly, yeah.
She definitely dey under duress, because if she was in a better place and a safer place, I mean she go get a different opinion. So anybody where they feel like say, hey, maybe the woman they speak for the terrorists, she dey on their side or something. No, you need to bring your mind back to the fact. Say
they get people they kidnap.
They kidnap, and you get people with probably face her with gun there. So now waiting and tell her to talk, now she go talk.
So why
they need to bring out a disclaimer or a refutal.
Say we never got this. So why the states?
I don't know. I know just know.
Sit down, see, allow this whole list of demand they fly.
And meanwhile,
guess what? Since this demand come outside, so many people now don't they run with the fast. Hey, we talking. They want Islamize Nigeria now. Oh, they want start with Oyo State. Oh, somebody else talking before. Even after seeing how the innocent Nigeria don't they carried away by this lie, why the state government not come outside and say no? Is a lie, not be the demand when we receive be this. It can't take the kidnapper when they inside bush when the government don't know where they right now. One believe so to come do a video to come find where they put them online to come let us know say not be waiting they talk.
Again, I still they ask. Can we not get a hold of these people where they make video anyhow they post on social media? Can we not get Nigeria government, can we not get a hold of these people? Because I don't want to think
they don't deploy technological what do you call it?
That same thing. Are they very happy? Say Adelabu nephews, in nephew and his sister don't come. Are they so excited
over the weekend?
Please, Biko, I beg. I go want me to use that same energy. I go want me to use that same energy. Channel them to these children and these teachers.
I hope.
We don't dey for under sun, they for under rain. For how many weeks now?
I hope they do, but knowing fully well, say the situation also they different, because if you watch the video of the security operative when they successfully rescue Adelabu, the former minister of power, sister and the children, you will notice say they still dey inside town. They not dey bush.
This one are the first kidnapping where they put them inside house.
That made it easier for the police to say as that kidnap happen now, and since now big man sister too, the priority they different too.
Okay.
Maybe it not there, the time not there enough for them to find their way enter bush.
Okay, security now they only assured for the connected few.
Not really, not be without the talk with that. So now time that kidnapping for happen, according to the news, if you check this place, these are communities when they far from town, so they close to bush. I just try one look the reality.
Good as they try one look the reality of things.
So
you know, say
why? Wait now, maybe now why the catch up on top this Adelabu's sister and his children they fast. And they were able to discover their hideout.
Beautiful, great. Now, may we go to River State. It gets a kidnapping incident will happen for River State for inside 2024, and amongst other ones to weigh out no fit talk come outside finish. Now that kidnapping incident it happened, and that boy they drop him for somewhere inside town for River State there. But guess what? That boy was not released alive. He actually died
during the process.
Yes. Because the kidnappers then torture him and then kill him in the process. Now, this now inside town, they no carry enter inside bush. So why we not get a rescue mission like this one, the way this one take fast, why we not get a rescue mission like that? Since we they make excuse, say, okay, the kidnappers never carry Adelabu's sister and her children enter bush yet.
Now they fit catch
them. So why would they catch other kidnappers too? When they go kidnap other people, they keep them for houses, for inside communities where no be bush.
The question they left for the Nigeria police to I also saw a disclaimer where they say maybe Nigeria is not the facing a setup. Say which person go ready sacrifice his sister and his children to do a setup. Say Nigeria stop to the think that way. But anyway, good news also come outside over the weekend though, as the Operation Hardin Care actually announced the rescue of adoptees from the Jamatu Ali Suna Ladia Awati Wa Jihad Enclave. This was released in a statement through the acting media information officer of the OPHK, Lieutenant Colonel Haruna Sani, who said the operation involved special forces and troops of Sector 1, and Conde carried that after weeks of intelligence gathering, covert reconnaissance and detailed operational planning to make sure say life not dey lost during the process. He can say the victims will consist of men, women and children be there in a harsh condition after being adopted for several communities, particularly around the Ngoshe Axis for inside Borno State. So 360 individuals they released by the Nigerian military. First of all, I think the Nigerian military deserve a heavy commendation on top this particular good work when they do. But I noticed something. It take the 3 lorry to bring these people in. So that question when they asked me that time, how this kidnapper is the same lorry I've been asking the same Okada.
Now bike. Now bike. My make bike no go move again now. They no go move till 10 p.m. After 10 p.m. they no move.
For your state.
For your state because now bike. Now they if I talk
Anyway, welcome back. 89.9
Young FM Lagos, the station with Sabi and yes on a good evening again and welcome back to Cruise Express, the show. My name is Anche Way, Oriako Foreign. My king, my cover, my lord.
I still remember what Bobby MC around be. Before we move to the next story, right? The phone lines don't they open. Just to also let you know, the presidential aspirant and former vice president of the country, Atiku Abubakar, do actually commend the rescue of these 360 adoptees for Borno State. But he can't seek for the freedom of other kidnapped victims across the country. So he made the government put effort on that. And again, a quick one just now, a cock come in when we just go on break, and they come from my boy when they join Nigeria Air Force.
Okay.
Want to beg me, big shout out to Ibrahim. They work with me for my former side before he joined Nigeria Air Force. He said, "Wanna take an easy on there."
Who be that?
My boy, when they work with Nigeria.
Who be the owner?
Us. Say then they do a lot. Say even where they come from, right? Now just enter Lagos now. He saying they the front line for Kano State. They fight these people. Say not be the way we they see for social media, not be so it be on ground. Say
okay.
Not be some people that they fight, you get. So but then again, big shout out to the Nigerian military on top the effort that they put in, but more effort is also expected from Una too. Until we eradicate these people, Nigeria people not get rest of mind, you get.
All right, so moving on to the next story. Would the enter the OEBC President don't talk say the fight against terrorists now a national duty, no be just a military work. Now President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't commend Nigeria security personnel for their courage and their sacrifices for the fight against terrorism, banditry, kidnapping and other security threats across the country. And this now for message when he gives to members of the armed forces and other security agencies for an X handle today. Now President come praise the troops, so say when they serve for front lines, he described them as shield where they protect innocent citizens and preserving the nation's peace and stability. In contact say you stand as a shield and you go continue to stand as a shield between those who they seek to destroy the peace, safety and dignity of our communities. The president contact say true. He no say he get some kind condition wey no nice where the security personnel in the day they operate, they face. He say see, he understand. In talk say then they serve for inside forest, then they for road, then they for other operating bases, then they for air, then they for creek, then they across challenging terrains just to safeguard the country and the country
that's
appreciate
the biggest sacrifice.
Exactly. And the country he appreciates their hand. He also can pay tribute to the families of security personnel, recognizing the emotional burden of long deployment. Husband go travel, go far, wife go travel, go far, family go just there everywhere, scatter everywhere. President say I understand, even as rain they fall, cold they catch and they rest. Anyways,
now our hero he's very correct, and I think
go ahead.
I think he also aligned with I don't preach for the last I think couple of weeks, right? Say security of this nation a collective effort it be, and I don't notice how suddenly, or probably maybe in a major, they start to pay attention to that right now. Different community that they activate their vigilante to they work with the Nigeria police and Nigeria military, and the commendable efforts that they recorded in the last 2 weeks. Some of those stories they send out to you, where this vigilante go enter bush because they understand the terrain the same way whoever bring these terrorists come their community understand the terrain to catch these people, and it all lead to some level of a result. I hope we keep doing that, and I hope the state governors too go carry the money, especially the security vote money, use and to empower these vigilante. That's also an indirect means of employment because you putting them on that salary. Some of all these people that they jobless go join the vigilante till they fight against these evil people.
All right, so President Okonsti talk amongst other things when he talk, he say Nigeria no go surrender to fear, and Nigeria no go allow terrorists, bandits, kidnappers, or violent extremists to define who we be as a people, because violence no be waiting there our blood, hatred no be waiting there our blood, and all this greed and the rest of them no be waiting a Nigerian man represent. That can remind me, if you watch that video well of where police go rescue Adelabu sister and her children, you go see where when CP bin dey talk, in talk say this house na house waiting for a community, and people they see these people, they go in and come out, and you no report. Now what is it talk? He said they don't report.
If even sometimes yes, shot said they say it don't concern me.
The sister said they even they thought say they hear people, they go on with their normal activities. You go talk say as a citizen, you no suspect one or two waka.
May you feel report to police.
May you feel report. Another thing again, when you report now.
No, not make that excuse. I not support that. No.
When you report, sometimes you turn to a suspect. When you report, sometimes we there for Nigeria, so we go speak the truth.
That's your truth.
When we report, sometimes you turn to a suspect, but then it's not stopping you from doing the right thing.
The reason why most people go see all these things.
No, we got to state the reality on ground. We got to state the reality on ground.
When the people are silent, evil will continue to triumph.
That's the problem. People will speak up actually. No, it is not an excuse. It is a fact. It is a fact.
Talk. Let's stop making it.
It is a fact. We dey on ground, so we know what will happen.
It's only a fact when you and I make it a fact. So stop to use that one. They encourage.
We know they use and they encourage anybody. We know they use and they encourage anybody. Would they tell you the reality of most Nigerians? That is the reality of most Nigerians.
I know.
When you speak out, sometimes you enter trouble for what you don't know.
Oh God, we go.
And you get to speak out eventually.
So this when they talk now, go even discourage people when they motivated. Okay, if I go into trouble, I could keep quiet.
No.
Now we take talk to enemy of our brother right now instead of brother's keeper.
Nobody they discourage anybody from speaking up the truth. We're only stating the reality.
But now we can change that reality. Who make that reality now? Still fear of saying they go arrest you. You go become enemy. Now people don't they talk when they see evil these days.
If I begin to bring out the list of whistleblowers, where in the process.
Yeah, what happened to them? What happened to them?
I reserve my comments.
You better reserve them more. But I do of the opinion.
But then we keep on to encourage Nigerians. Say yes, you speak up when you see something. When you see something, you say something. Actually. But then you know go fit deny the fact that these realities they happen.
When you dey conscious of your
happen,
environment,
and I make we tell the security agencies, the security outfits them. Say please, because I beg, when somebody comes to report something to you, if you want to do your investigation, may you do your investigation properly. Before you put allegation for person head way matter no concern only because they try to be a true Nigerian.
In addition to that, to make we also try dey careful on how we dey spread misinformation and aid misinformation for this country Nigeria. It creates a lot of anxiety and people they use and they commit havoc. See the woman when go kidnap herself now when her daughter be dey cry, they ask for millions of naira only for them to find out say he dey a hotel with a boyfriend. They wait for 50 million naira to enter her account. That's a married woman. So the business now, the way the kidnapping don't go now, some people don't take as business. Not be yesterday we did when one Ekiti vice chancellor chairman kidnap himself to take raise money to take contest for election until they catch her. But next time that you go blame the government, say,
it don't become a business now.
When you see those news online, you go say, "Oh, it's the government that is not taking care of people." But now, animals, evil human beings, wake up one morning, say, "How can I make money?" Kidnap their brother. As enough, kidnap their brother, they'll kidnap themselves. Or you keep putting the blame on the government. They feel say that they not do the work, but they're evil people. Most sometimes they give some. I don't know the English to use right now. We are too evil in this country. First of all. human being when evil anyhow. Anyway, I beg. I think from now on, if Nigeria see any news concerning person being kidnapped, before you start to contribute, try make your find the fair, because it be like now it be the new modus operandi of evil people now to take raise money for themselves. You get more extra careful.
If to say we dey for a country where be say once this thing starts, immediately you tackle them and other people see say other people, when you engage in this thing, you go face a dire consequence. Maybe people for actually stop and people for try to make sure say they don't involve themselves. But then in Nigeria, I bet more listen to voice notes from WhatsApp.
No more take this call first. Hold on that voice note.
Okay. Hello, who there the phone line? Good evening, Yanga FM. Welcome.
Oh, loser. Oh yeah, play.
Okay.
Good evening, my king and my queen.
Good evening.
Happy New Week, and happy to hear from you guys again. I just quickly want to chip in respect for waiting this our queen they talk. Say some people go make report to police and in that process become suspect. Sir, my king, please. I just want to categorically tell you, you be shaman, you know Ekpoma. I don't know if you know how Ekpoma be. From 2005 to around 2012-13, it was a hot zone. I know person, you don't know me say they tell me. I know person where be say, he see body when they don't buy from one corner. Who buy this body? Oh, he run go police station. Go tell police say, see body when they don't buy for so place. So after police don't come do everything, you know what they tell this person? They ask this person, how you tell no say dead body day here? By this time of the day, because it was very early in the morning. Say how you think no, say it only take the grace of God for that kind of person, for that person to come out for that thing that year. You get that mentality still there in me till now, like it's still the ring for my head. Person can't report something, then how did he end up becoming a suspect for that thing?
Okay, so I don't know if you dey follow general procedure of how policing dey work, right? Most time when you make a report like this, because now you be the first person when report, they go ask you some question to just make sure say, oh, you not get hand for this, because it gets some criminal when they also carry out that kind of thing to clean their hand or to act like say they be innocent, they'll go report themselves to police and say, oh, see what I see. You get so sometimes in a normal procedure for police to ask you some questions just to make sure say, oh, you not get hand for this matter. And when they ask you and you answer those questions correctly, an average thinking intelligent police officer supposed to say you not get hand. But guess what? Most of our people, they lazy. Now, so some of the police officers also they lazy to carry out some basic investigation.
Okay,
so now make those kind of things they end up.
More will go for music break. When we come back, we'll go round up. Not go anywhere. On a good evening.
Fire.
Okay. Hello, who there the phone line? Good evening. Welcome.
Now, former citizen of Nigeria, now retired.
Yes, good evening.
Yes. I think say gas enter for a newspaper headline where they just read today, I think.
Okay.
Well, I want to talk from my own part of the street too. Currently now, the price of gas, cooking gas for some places now, they reach 1,700 to 15, like those people where they go church.
Okay, so this headline where they react or not be waiting they talk about this evening.
Just concern I ain't just the react right now. Price of gas.
You
buy gas recently.
But I buy them today now.
Okay, thank you so much for your contribution.
Security, Abi.
Okay. Now what you concern now you just talk. So anyway, more take some voice notes on top of WhatsApp.
Okay, just before we take the last story, this person say, on a good evening, King and Babozi, Queen of the Formidable Kingdom. I appreciate the army for their effort and success. God Almighty will continue to strengthen them and give them victory. Truly, this fight against kidnapping na national duty, because it don't turn to national disgrace. This other person saying, good evening, Yanga FM. To me, they enough for the police to tell us to say something when we see something, but they must also guarantee the welfare of the person that is making the report. As long as their heads among our security personnel, sometimes they fit turn the case against the innocent eyewitness. Thanks. This other person say, but not true you they talk, Sha. You know how NPF matter, Nigerian Police Force matter for this Niger. Once you give them small info like this, then go rope you or arrest you. Now why many people no one talk? That caller get point. NPF need total reform. Young Kel Odion from Ali Mosho. Okay, so the last story we'll go take at this point because we don't get so much time. Now say hello, who did the phone line? Good evening, welcome.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, your name and where they call from?
My name is Ben.
Ben, go ahead.
I understand what the other caller is saying. I think the police force, they need a thorough reform, because we had I think so a similar case happened to a brother, my blood brother. He reported a case of a corpse found on the road, like the roadside, and he was being arrested for the murder of that person.
Can you imagine?
We had to take it up initially, and we requested for autopsy. So, and I initially, though the exposure is part of the learning at times.
Yes. So
I insisted on asking of the time of death. I think we should really precisely know we don't have a particular time. I think there should be a closer time of that corpse.
Yeah.
That was why I had to see him, and when he reported, so we related all things like that before he could even him being.
So now you actually asked for this time of death, Abi?
Yes, actually I did.
Oh,
okay.
Thank you
so much.
Hold on. I just want to say something briefly right now. Thank you very much. You see why Nigeria police not fit get reform, and even though say get reform with the people when they there right and one are not trust, will keep having the same result. You know why? Because when recruitment they open, intelligent and respectable Nigerians no one grade apply. Which give chance for all these low intelligent people to troop in, and what do you expect? The same result until we start to get intelligent people for the Nigeria police force. I'm not saying people when they currently are not intelligent, they are not just more. Probably the only intelligence one plenty pass. And that's why you see things like this they happen when somebody go report case, they take her as the number one suspect. So until we get intelligent people for all those offices and those institutions, we don't get any change.
All right. The very last story where we need to take now say the former Labour Party vice presidential candidate will be Yusuf Dati Baba Ahmed. He don't claim say the former vice president Atiku Abubakar for don't position himself to win 2027 presidential election if to say support P2B presidential ambition for 2023 instead of to contest against them. And in talk say if to say Atiku they give chance and they build long-term political goodwill by backing younger politicians and waiting for in turn if for good for them. And it was say this na strategy where President Bola Ahmed use and na him make in position himself
when
to be
reach time when
it reach time for him to become president, he can become president. And now they talk say Atiku need to position himself where. And if you say position
this advice, not they come late. So
I no can know this guy, this one that how they call her. What's it? That thing they talk. We say Atiku. If you say support P2B for 2023, right now P2B for the try to back him up and support him for 2027
from
because
back I be as vice president.
No, if for support him properly, if for no back him up as he don't become vice president already.
For PDP Abi
for Labour Party.
So Atiku come up for PDP when he did consult.
No, if I stay there for him PDP that if you one day
go wiki.
because you know say and why they even they talk this thing na because you know say Obi don always dey vocal about the fact say he just wan do one thing make people understand am. So if you say Obi come turn to president for 2023 maybe this 2027 if I don dey support return the favour dey support Atiku to become president. Abeg make una leave us.
This advice be like say come late o.
I say the advice
anyway
mo just take this voice note to round up.
Sharp.
Chim messages e choke but we dey come more na no vex so I'm gonna listen to this one. Stop to dey call o abeg no call time no dey. Oh Chimo no call o. Abeg na no call abeg.
RMB Oyako.
Good evening.
My name is Wale. So let me just chip in this our topic. What the RMP said, it is true that we need to encourage people.
Yeah.
So that people will be able to come out. But it's not applicable also. Oyako, what you're saying is also true. And other callers as well. Because of Nigerian police. Take a look at it. See what happened the other time when they said one guy, this is not Delta.
Yes.
That the guy go do logistic, way bill. Later they discovered that yes, he want to way bill, it's not abomination or whatsoever. Now they call the Nigerian police. At least to come and make sure that yes, they arrest the guy and investigate. See that police getting there, only God knows what's happening till now. We never had any.
We never hear
if the police know something about it or not. The guy reached there, he find the guy. Upon the guy they talk, say, I will take you, I will let you know the person who send me. Now put down the police do that though, he find the guy.
Just like that.
So if somebody go report,
Okay.
maybe also I don't know. Maybe all this stupid police before you know, say, how do you know say something happened there? Blah blah blah. Maybe you know blah blah. You buy the guy too.
More reason we need intelligent people in the Nigerian police force.
That's gonna happen. Everybody will be careful to come out and say, sir, this is what's happening here. This is what's happening.
Thank you so much for your contribution. We dey so sorry, so we don't fit take some other messages and voice notes. We dey here time no go fit permit us.
We dey run follow time.
We dey run 6 o'clock top of the hour. Yanga Tori dey come 6 p.m. office palava too. We go still here. My king mo run dey go.
Yes, sir.
89.9 Yanga FM.